Hello everyone. Today we're going to see traffic light control using 8085. So this microprocessor 8085, which is going to connect with various LEDs. This LEDs are placed in all four directions, like north, west, east, and south. So generally in traffic, we will be having three different light, like red and yellow, and then green. Green is to what you can start moving. Then the red is to stop, and the yellow is to alert. The signal is going to change either from red to green or green to red. So these three are generally available, and two more signals are there. That is nothing but free left signal and free right signal. That will be if it is there free left, you no need to follow the signal, just you can go free left. Similarly, free right means you no need to wait for the signal, simply you can go towards right side. So five signals we are considering in traffic light control for every direction, like north side five signal, south side five, and then east and west five signals will be there. And for this total system, we required the LED seven segment display as well. Generally, this LED is sufficient for showing the signal. The seven segment display and this keyboard are required to show what program modification you are doing. So if you would like to do some emergency control, emergency changes in the signal at present, which side it is the signal is available, which side the green signal is available, just to display that we will be using this seven segment display. And the keyboard is used to do some changes in the program, or in between some ambulance. Consider the north side is at present the green signal is available, but immediately you would like to the ambulance is coming toward the south side, so you have to stop the signal in the north side, and you have to allow the south side ambulance, and the traffic should not be there in the south side, so we have to give green signal. Further doing some modification, we will be using this keyboard. And also the timer, that and all will be available, can be shown like 60 seconds, 50 seconds the signal will be available, that can be shown in the seven segment display. And all this information, sometimes the traffic police will be put the signal in automated mode. So during the automated mode, every direction will be controlled with a particular time set. So for this, you need some memory storage. For that, they will be using EEPROM and RAM IC. So pre-programmed data are available in this memory IC. Now let us consider the signal is coming out from microprocessor, and through 8255 only all the devices will be controlled. As we already know that whatever the signal which is coming out of the microprocessor via 8255, which is not having a sufficient magnitude to drive motor or to drive LED. To drive means to turn on, to energize. Okay, so for that we will need the current amplifier, the required level of current to turn on the LED. We will be using the buffer IC, which is called 74LS245. That buffer IC, whatever the signal which is coming out of the 8255, that signal it will be boosted and it will be given to drive the LED. Otherwise, it will not be glowing in a particular intensity. Otherwise, the signal which coming out of 8255, it may turn on the LED, but it will not be much the much intensity won't be there. So it will not glow with with better brightness. So let us consider here how many totally 8255 is having three ports, port A, port B, and port C. So here all the ports we are going to use for the LED glowing. So totally five signals. So totally five signal means north side red, yellow, green. Then north side free left, free right. So you can see here north, south. Then one second. So you can see here north red, then north yellow, north green, then north free right, then this one north free left. North free left will be mentioned like this. North free right, then north, sorry, north green, north yellow, then this will be north red. Similarly, for south side, three signal, remaining two signal is available here. East side, five signal, then west side one signal, the remaining four signal. So now all the LEDs and their purpose and how it is connected in which port, everything I have shown. So the what how it is scheduled. First, which side the signal will be given, then which side next, and which side next the succeeding signals. That schedule will be shown as a table that we will see now. So this is a switching schedule for the traffic light. You can see what are the ports for what direction. Port A02, port A4, totally 5 is for north side, and A5 to A7. Totally every port is having 8 bit. In that 5 bit is used for port A, 5 bit is used for north, and port A remaining 3 bit is for south red, south yellow, and south green. Then remaining two signal, south side free right and free left, will be connected to the port B0 and B1. Likewise, for the east and west, port B and port C are utilized. Now you can see here the north side, initially it is in what the red LED is glowing. That is why here one is mentioned. One, that means that particular LED is glowing. It is going to change as green signal. So from north red, it is moving to what, yellow. That means it is going to change it to green. Okay, that means north side, if you are making it to green, means some other side is already what the what peoples are moving. So that side we have to put as a red at the same time. So you can see here west side. This is west red, west yellow, and west green. Okay, so here from green it is what changed to yellow, then it will be moved to what green, sorry, red. So north side we have opened the signal from red to green, and west side at the same time we have closed the signal, so people will not move from west side. And the other two sides, south and east, already it is in what block mode. That means only one direction alone we are making the people to move. Other west direction already it is in movement, we have to change. The other two directions like south and east, it is got continuous block mode. Now once if you have the particular time period, you have alerted the green signal for the north, it has to convert into what from the yellow, what because it is already in green. now it is moved to yellow to reach what red. So when you are making the north side to block block the people to travel, then you have to make the other side, which is called the south side. So south side initially it is in red and it is moved to yellow, and then now it is maintained in green. At the same time, south side free right and free left are given signal. So south side people are able to move now in the signal. So this is a four-way direction of traffic light control. So here south side is moved. Similarly, the south side, after some time, it is moved to yellow, then to the red. So at that time, if you see, your north side will be always blocked and your west side will be always blocked, red. Then, so when the south side is moved to the red signal, then you'll have to change it, the other direction. East side is initially it is in red signal, and then it is moved to yellow and then green signal for what straight movement as well as right and left movement. Likewise for west as well. So you can see after particular time the schedule will be what followed. I hope you all understood the traffic light control system using microprocessor. Thank you.